traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another Candlestick Psychology video based on those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So this is a retracement, so I will do a put now, because I'm sure that price will move down further, because that was only a retracement of this new upcoming downtrend. Also, if this is not a piercing pattern, not dot cloud cover, and it's not an engulfing candle, but I'm sure that price will move down further, because this is a pullback here of the 50 EMA. Yes, this candle here showed me that we have selling pressure, and because we have here this kind of downtrend and the market is ranging, it was really tricky. You see price gone above to the trend line, got a rejection from the trend line, and now it's continuing to going down like I was expecting. Yes, that is what you should be aware about. That is what you have to understand, and that is exactly that kind of concepts which I have explained in the 7th edition ebook. Yes, okay, so let me see. Now we are getting here below the 20 EMA2. Yes, and that is a reason for me to do another put, because this candle broke the 20 EMA, and I'm expecting now that the trend will continue, yes, to going down, and that's the reason why I entered into here above the closing price of the previous candle. This week here is acting as a resistance level, and so I'm really pretty much sure that this trade will be in the money for sure. Yes, and that is what is confidence about. Yes, you if you are applying those kind of concepts which I'm explaining in the ebook, yes, without either watching too much on the movements, yes, on ranging market, you have to do your trades based on your knowledge about this, what you know about the market, yes, how candlestick unfold, and not based on the movements which market is showing you. Yes, that is a big mistake which a lot of traders are doing. Yes, they are doing trades not based on that what what they know. They are doing the trades based on that what market is moving. Yes, and the movements of the market are there to trap you, to fool you. This is what I tried to explain you since 1 year. Yes, that you have to be confident in what you're doing. Yes, and don't think too much and don't watch too much. Yes, what the candlestick says it's doing. Yes, you have to know the direction of the market before you're gonna do into a trade, and that is what I have explained in the ebook. So I will show you exactly again what I have done here. Yes, here this candle was a weak retracement. Yes, and that was the reason, because we were here below the 50 EMA and we are here in a downtrend. I entered here into a put trade. Yes, and that was this one. After we broke the 20 EMA, it was clear for me that this downtrend will continue to going down. So I entered above the closing price of the previous candle into close to the SNR, close to the EMA, which is support and resistance. You see also here the flat Bollinger Band. Yes, all those kind of concepts which I have explained in the ebook. So I think that was it already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section, and study those things which I have explained in the ebook. So that was it. And I would say stay safe and bye-bye.